Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. You want more information about how to set up a dog show? These are the best resources we could find on the web. The most helpful site to learn about how to set up a dog show is Vimeo.com. Specifically the page titled How to Shoot a Wedding Video on Vimeo Video School on Vimeo. Here's the link. You can also try www.thefreedictionary.com, especially the page Setup, definition of setup by the Free Dictionary. Here's the link. If you don't find useful information on the previous sites, see www.wonderhowto.com. The web page Wonder How to Show and Tell for creators and doers. This is the link.